and I started having anxiety attacks a lot more. So right now I'm at this phase where I'm telling myself like, okay, I'm just trying to put out content that I can be more myself.
Run.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Adiah and this is my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to give you guys a live updates video. I've been away from YouTube and social media for the past 2 months. So I just wanted to let you guys know what's been going on with me. Y'all probably don't care because I'm not okay or anything, but like, it's just I want to be able to build a more personal relationship. I want you guys to get to know me. I don't want to just come here and be talking anyhow. I want you guys to get to know what's behind this pretty face. So if you're interested, then keep watching. Okay, so at the beginning of this quarantine, right, I was doing okay. Like, I was paying my bills, paying my taxes. Okay, I'm joking, but like, I was like eating healthy. I was making content. I was making a state of mind chicken. I was actually doing okay. I just realized that, okay, after March, in June, like I fell off my intermittent fasting. Then along that period, there were some rumors about NYC. Just in case you don't know, I was supposed to serve in March. But because of this whole corona stuff, obviously everybody's at home. So there were some rumors about going to camp, because for the set that just finished, they had their POP, personal parade. Okay, so that gave me hope. I was checking like the NYC portal every day, nothing. Just I was so hopeful. I was like, okay, I might actually go to camp this month again, and then nothing. Even till now, bruh, it's still nothing. So after that, I just kind of went into this space, okay, and I was thinking a lot, because if you don't know, my birthday is in August, and I have this thing I do where right before my birthday I start fasting, and I have like anxiety because I'm turning a new age year, whatever. For example, now this year also is the year that I graduated. I went for my NYC, and I usually do this every year. Like when I get to close my birthday, I start to overthink. Like that's why I don't like celebrating my birthday. And then some of my friends will not help me matter. So it's a bit like this. We chat on WhatsApp, right, or Instagram, or just any other social media. So I'm not online for one day, and then you hit me up and you're like, yo, I'm fighting, what's up? And that's not even the worst part. The worst part is that what you say when we're online, hey, how are you? How I'm fine. How was she doing? Every day. I'm not a texter. I don't like to text. It's not my thing. Because I do this thing like where when I'm having like issues with myself, I just try and stay by myself, and I talk to those who I feel will be able to help me. But besides that, I don't need to bother myself talking to people who will not help my situation at that point in time. And I'm like, bruh, even because I'm not talking to you does not mean we are enemies. It just means I'm not talking to you. I think I've phased out of that stage where I'll be on my phone texting every single second of the day. Like, even if I'm not doing anything with myself, I'll pick up a book and read like a novel. I cannot be living my life based on your terms, so let's believe I went off social media. That was basically June, and then July came in, and I started having anxiety attacks a lot more. Like, I usually have anxiety attacks when I'm faced with a huge level of uncertainty. I get really anxious, like it's crazy. I remember one time I was in church and I was thinking about, what was I even thinking about? I can't even remember. And then I started having shortness of breath. I started feeling lightheaded. it was just, I was just trying to keep it together because I was in church and I didn't want to act a certain way before they think that I'm being attacked by an evil spirit. And I was always crying and I was just like in weird mental space. And people don't really talk about mental health, which is just like, in Nigeria you are not allowed to not be okay. If you're frowning, they're like, what's wrong with this girl, why is she frowning? I was in such a bad place for such a long time, so I reached out to some of my friends, like people that I could talk to, because apart from just the anxiety I was feeling, I was also having some things I'm dealing with in my personal life at home, and I can't really share that with you guys. I was talking to some of my friends. I spoke to my friend T. I really love you, and she just kind of like walked me through it. I was just kind of like trying to get better for myself. At that point, I could not even think about making content. Okay, so I wanted to go ahead and just do my brows and my lips so we can, you know, move fast. I was also having creator's block because I want to make content that will serve you. I want to make content that you would enjoy, right? So I just felt like I needed more. Like, content creators do very similar things, so at the end of the day, what you actually fall in love with when it comes to the person you're subscribed to is your personality and not what they put. I mean, even though some are helpful, quite alright, but 80% of the time, for me, I'm not sure, it's because of the personality, right? So I'm just trying to put out content that I can be more myself, if that makes any sense. Because when I started my channel, I know very well that I was trying to be very proper. Plus, everybody who I just like would watch then just like spoke a certain way, did a certain thing. Over my past couple of videos, I would say that I'm actually doing a lot better because I know myself. If you meet me in real life, if you meet me in real life and the person that you watch, I'm just trying to make them one and the same person. It's hard because it's the internet and everybody wants to put their best foot forward. Towards mid of this month, I started feeling like myself. And about my birthday, now I don't think I'm the only one who has birthday anxiety, or at least that's what I call it, because it's like I have an anxiety for everything. But it's just when I'm getting to a new year, and I'm clocking a new year, clocking a new age, or whatever you want to call it, I just like get so worked up. The fact that, okay, I'll be turning 22. Now, the only thing coming to my head is, oh my god, some of your mates who are 22 are fucking billionaires, like billionaires in dollars. Even though all hands are not equal, like, why is your hand not long enough though? You get, like, I'm constantly pushing, like I'm constantly like, I don't even know what it's called at this point, but if you know what it's called, that's what I'm doing. So right now I'm at this phase where I'm telling myself like, okay, like everybody has their own time, and that's something I really need to teach myself, that everybody has their own time and everybody's just like different and everybody has their own journey. So that's something I'm trying to teach myself. I've added like, I think I've added like 2 kg, which might not be a lot to somebody, but it's a lot to me. But on the lighter note, right? Okay, wait. I've been searching for video ideas and I actually have come across some very interesting ones. So stay tuned for that, and I'm just excited. Plus, I'm starting my own podcast. You don't know this, but I like to talk, right? And a podcast is like an avenue where I can literally talk for 1 hour and not cut shit out, like. So I just feel like a podcast would be a new way to show myself, you know. I'm going to be launching the podcast in August. The name of the podcast is Adiah's Audacity. Okay, So that's all I'm going to be saying about the podcast. This has been like the highlight of my month. Actually, this is one of the things that got me kicking this month, because I'm like, out here trying to be a host or whatever. Okay, so basically that has been everything going on, and some of you checked up on me, some of you actually sent me things on my Instagram, and you get to like, I just want to say thank you to notice that I was not active. That really meant a lot to people, just like knowing that there were people who actually cared enough to know that I wasn't around. Okay, now I think this is the real nice smile. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for listening to me. If you stayed till the end, thank you. And I'm just so grateful to all my friends who were there. Shout out to you, Mama. I'm just grateful to all my friends who were there, giving me video ideas, just pep talking me, and you guys who actually checked on me. It means a lot to me. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. And if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I don't know, do you guys think it's possible to make it to 500 subscribers for my birthday? By the way, my birthday is August 23rd. Just putting that out there. If you think we can make it to 500 subscribers for my birthday, subscribe to my channel. And yeah, this bad 19th page will see you in our next video, which will be on schedule today. Alright, bye.